Good morning students. Today we see about the refraction at spherical surfaces. Spherical means what? Round shape. Okay. So before till now we studied about the reflection. Reflection means all the rays are only in the front side. Okay. So here if we see now, we will see about some pictures examples. Okay, now you see here all the concave means what? Inside curve. Convex means outside the curve. So mirror is like this, bulging outside, and this is inside. So in the concave lens and convex mirrors, so what is taking place? Reflection is taking place. Reflection means only the rays are straight. Okay, angle of incident is equal to the angle of refraction, so it is the straight. Now we see about the refraction. Now in the, where is one more? Convex lens. Okay, so here this is the convex lens. Here also the same thing. Okay, in the convex lens always the rays are parallel rays. The parallel means the in facing each other. This is the parallel rays, na? So always diverging, taking another direction, not meeting at any point, just always direction. And it will show as though these rays are coming from inside, from the focal point. Okay, or from other. So but here also you see it is diverging. But in the case of a concave lens, always the rays are converging. Converging means what? Meeting at one point. But always in the convex lens, always taking the other direction, diverging. Okay, diverging lens, diverging mirror, not lens, mirrors. And this is the converging mirror. Converging concave mirror is the converging, that means meeting, rays are meeting at one point. But convex mirror is the rays are diverging, taking another direction, diverging mirrors. But it is different for the lenses. Till now we studied all these are the mirrors. Okay, now we are going to study about the lens. For your understanding, lens means our eyes lens. Okay, black color, that is also one kind of lens. And if we have the eyesight problem, so they use the lenses in the glasses. Okay, so both side glass spectacles, na chasma. If you see the chasma, both sides spectacles what we use for the eyes, na, both the sides it is the transparent glass. Okay, but concave and convex mirrors are one side coated and other side it is show as a mirror, like a plain mirror. But these lenses are one side only, both the sides is not coated. They will be like a what is that? Lenses. Okay, so here we see this is a convex lens. Okay, convex lens. Here we see refraction. Refraction means what? Bending of light. Light will be coming and going to the other medium. Reflection takes place only at one medium, but refraction takes place between the two mediums. So here is the one medium, this is another medium. Light is passing from one medium to the another medium. So when light passes from one medium, it will be bending. Okay, bending. So it also bending. So bending of light. Understand? And both the sides it is transparent. This is the convex lens. Convex lens बीच में मोटा होता है और at the ending पतला होता है. Understand? So and both the sides two surfaces of the lens is there. That is why it is called as a bi, means two, biconvex lens. And always it has the two points. O is the center point. And if this convex lens, if we draw one round shape, means it is a spherical lens. Okay, so that is a spherical, convex lens and concave lens. And mirrors are how many types? Two types. One is the plane mirror and spherical mirror. And spherical mirrors are two types we have: concave mirror, convex mirror. But in the lenses we have two: convex lens and concave lens. Okay, write all these points, whatever I am saying important. Understand? So it is the radius of the circle. Radius of the circle means from half of the circle is called as radius of the circle. Na? So in this circle, the center point is called as a center of curvature. Since it has the two surfaces, here we find the two curvatures. Center of curvatures are 2 here. Okay. So this side, for this surface one center of curvature, and for this surface one center of curvature. So this is the distance from O, central point O to center of curvature is called as a radius of the circle. Radius of the circle. Okay, so radius of the circle. This is radius R1 and R2. Understand? So this is the one. O is the optical center. The center of lens O is called as a optical center. And okay, then the effective diameter of the curved surface of a lens is called as a aperture. That means effective diameter of the curved surface means this curved surface, na? This much curved surface and this much curved surface. It is called as what? The curved surface of the lens is called as a aperture. So like that only the curved surface of the concave mirror or convex mirror is called as a aperture. Okay. And here one more difference is what means in the convex mirror, na? This is the convex mirror. Convex mirror, always the rays are diverging, taking another direction, not meeting in case of a mirror. Okay. And this is the lens. Okay, it is the difference. So in the convex, this is the convex and this is the convex. In the convex lens, rays are converging, okay, meeting at one point. But in case of a mirror, rays are diverging. Okay, this is one difference. Right here ma, converging lens. Okay, all the rays are meeting at one point, na? But in case of a concave, this is the curve inside means concave. So for in case of a concave lens, and if you take the concave mirror, curve inside, na? So concave mirror, always the rays are meeting at one point. Okay, it is the converging concave mirror. Okay, and this is the concave lens. Okay, in the concave lens, rays are diverging, taking other direction. Okay, refraction, bending of light. Okay, diverging. But in the case of a concave mirror, converging. Concave lens, concave mirror. Concave lens means it has the two surfaces, but concave mirror has only one surface, only one curve. It has the two curves. For this, in the middle it is the thin, patla, or at the end it is mota. Okay. In the concave lens, it is diverging. In the convex lens, it is converging. Understand? So this is one difference. And some more definitions we are going to study now in these pictures. Okay. So if you see here, okay, some more definitions, na? So in the concave and convex mirrors, we have only focal point, only one we have, and radius also one, center of curvature one. But in case of this one, it has a two. Understand? So a beam of light parallel to principal axis converges at a point after refraction through the lens. Refraction means bending of light. The point of convergence of on the principal axis called focus F1 of the lens. The distance between the optical center O and focus F is called the focal length of the lens. Okay. So the points which meeting the optical center, focal point, center of curvature, which one meeting that line is called as a principal axis. And this ray is always the parallel. Light rays are parallel to the principal axis. Okay. So here we have the two focal points, F1 and F2. So the middle point between the center of curvature and optical center is called as a focal point. So this is the focal point is between the optical center and focal point. It is called as a focal length. Okay, focal length. So 2f1 and 2f2 focal length. Okay, the distance between the center O of and focus F is called as a focal length of the lens. Okay, so here we see now. Okay, bi means two. Concave lens is made up of two spheres bent towards inside. It is thin in the center and thick at the edges. Okay, yes, thick at the edges. Edges means ending point. Okay, so it is thin, and when a beam of parallel to the beam of means so many parallel light rays to the such of concave lens gets refracted due to the lens, then the rays diverge. The refracted rays appear to be coming from a point on principal axis called the focal point f1 of the concave lens. Okay, and okay, so what is the difference they are telling means, this is the concave, na? Inside two curves are there, inside thin and outside fat. So here rays are diverging after passing through the lens, it is diverging. Okay, but it will show this rays, na? Diverging rays, this reflected rays will show as though these dotted lines are the artificial lines. That means this line will show as though it is coming from here, from the focal point, and it also will show as though it is coming from the focal point. Okay, so this is the one which are equal distance from optical center O, and on the opposite side the foci are situated midway between the optical center and the center of curvature. This means R is equal to 2f. Okay, so radius of the curvature is double of the focal length of the lens. The focal plane is the plane which is perpendicular to the principal axis and passes through the focus point. Okay, so here we have the two focal points, because of the two surfaces are here, F and F1. Okay, so here the center of the curvature, it is the radius, it is what? Double of these two focal length. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 means, so the radius of this will be 4. That is the one. Double of the focal length is the center of the curvature, radius of the lens. Thank you, students.